Hi, I am Muhammad Amir from India. I am a graduate in mechanical engineering and looking for international opportunities as a modeling engineer. I have a firm belief that under good guidance, human potential can create wonders. So I am looking forward to join Budapest University of Technology and Economics for my new exposures. Beyond my professional development, I also work on different dimensions of my personality, like listening and singing Indian cultural songs. And I love to work for the upliftment of the poor. And I always excited to know about the different cultures of the world. During my graduation, I have learned different principles in machine designing which are applicable in every field from tool design to automobile and aviation manufacturing. This has created a lot of excitement in me to know more about the field. So I want to pursue a master degree from some prestigious university like our BME. I have also learned that in this age of artificial intelligence, computer has given us enormous ways to do our job in more creative, accurate and precise ways. So I have learned different designing and modeling softwares like AutoCAD, ANSYS and SolidWorks, which will surely help me to do my designing and modeling projects. I have chosen mechanical engineering modeling as my master's course because it gives exposures of both theoretical knowledge and experimental applications. And I think this will surely help me to convert my ideas into a practically applied model. I choose BME for my higher studies because of two reasons. First one, its excellent ranking in mechanical engineering specialization, that is among top 200 universities of the world. And second one, its remarkable history of being first institute in Europe to train enormous engineers and researchers at university level, and some of whom even won the Nobel Prizes. For example, George Ola got the Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1994. Through the university website, I got to learn about the accomplished faculty, nurturing environment and various sophisticated programs that has lot to offer to students like me. I also realized that the syllabus of the program is designed to meet the demand of the present day industry, covering R&D, manufacturing and maintenance. I firmly believe that BME has lot to offer to me in my career growth. As a student of history and geography, I was aware about the Hungary located in the heart of Europe. It is a multicultural land which has its historical significance since the advent of modern age. So it always been one of my favorite destination spot. In globalized world, Hungary is well known for its robust education system, emerging researches and growing industries. Its harmonized society always attracts people from different corners of the world. Affordable living cost, higher level of living and its excellent public transport always encourages me to come to this beautiful land. Thank you.